This is our topology. We have a primary VCO, secondary VCO, and we have two gateways, and we have a Dubai office, Abu Dhabi office, and Sharjah office, and we have a UAE hub and PH hub, and Manila and Pampanga. So today we're going to add new remote sites, which is Jerusalem, located in Israel. So let's give 10.128.70.0/24. I'm supporting the piece of Israel and UAE. So let's try to add new remote sites in our network. So we will put this SD-WAN remote sites in Jerusalem. Sorry for my drawing. Okay, so this is our topology. This is our setup. So we go to configure. Let's check the overlay flow control. So here our network. We have a Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. We are advertising all this network. Then we can go to edge, click new, and type the name of the edge. We will put Jer. Then we select virtual edge as a model, and we choose UA spoke. Then click OK. Then we will get a key. This is our activation key. When there are two ways to activate the edge, either use key or you can send this link. Um, you can open this link from your computer and activate your edge. So now edge profile is ready. Let's try to ping the um, edge that we're going to configure. By default, IP address is 192.168.2.1 when it is for our factory default. Okay, let's try to access it from our management access PC. Okay, so first we need to click this settings, configuration. Then we need to configure GE3. Since this is a lab, we need to configure a static IP. There are option here, PPOE if you're using like ADSL. If you're using lease line, you can use static. So our sample public IP is 10.128.160. This is only for demo purposes. So 14.15 is our um, assuming this is a public IP. Okay, then /24. Then our gateway is .1. Then that's all. Then we need to click save. Then type the username and password of your edge. So it will save the config. Okay. Now we have now a static IP. So we have now internet on this box. Internet status should connected. Okay. That means internet is fine. So let's put the activation key. Copy and paste this key. Or you can send this key link or open the link from this computer. It will activate. So let's do manual. Let's put the key and type the orchestrator IP address. Our orchestrator IP address is 10.128.16.13. Then ignore this certificate, then activate. Wait for a while. Boom, activation successful. So that's that's easy, right? It's very easy to activate a new remote site. So let's monitor now all our edges. See, status is in yellow, Jerusalem. Let's wait for this link. It will come up. Just let's give few minutes. It will come up later. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes. It will come up. Okay, that's all you need to activate it. The edge. So this is the configuration. Okay, so it's showing degraded. This is okay. This is okay because you just added the edge. This is normal. Okay, that is the IP address. Okay, so far so good. See, now link is up now. Still it's showing yellow. This is okay. It's normal. Just wait for a while. It will become green later. Let's double check the configuration. Okay, we'll go to device. Okay, GE1 is for it say GE2 is for our LAN connection. So let's modify the GE2 for our LAN connection. We'll choose routed and we'll put static and we will untick one overlay, meaning we are going to use this as your LAN, or you can use this one as your point-to-point connection between your firewall. In our demo purposes, we will use this one as our LAN connection. We will use this one for our computers. Okay, then untick this net. Okay, later we'll go back on that advertise. Later I'll show you. But for testing, we will leave like that, like that. So one overlay is disabled, meaning that is our LAN connection. It's like a point-to-point connection between your firewall or your LAN segment for your computer. Let's click save. Okay, let's check. See, now all green. Okay, looks good. So let's configure edge, then device. Cloud VPN is on, meaning we have VPN now tunnel from other remote site. So let's check this GE 3-hour one overlay. This is our internet connection. Make it sure we have not enabled because we're going to NAT our private IP on those public IP. Let's check the overlay flow control. See, there is already, it's there, but looks like it's still not um, connected to the VPN because we need to advertise that LAN segment. Let's go back to GE2. Okay, now let's advertise it. Advertise meaning you're telling to all the SD-WAN edge that I have a network like this coming from this edge. It's like an interesting traffic from the classic VPN. So we'll click save. Overlay for load control. See, all of them are the same now. Um, this is okay now. We have now reachability from other remote site. So this is our topology, the Dubai. Let's try to um, let's try to put static IP address of our um, computer, Jerusalem computer. This is our Jerusalem server, or let's say server or computer, 10.128.70.101 um, slash 24, and the gateway is .1. We use also the same Ubuntu computer from other remote site. So let's try to use 8.8.8. Okay. Only the third octet is coming changing. Turn off and turn on. 64 is for Dubai, 65 is for Abu Dhabi, and 70 is for uh, Israel or Jerusalem. Okay, let's test the internet. I suspect it will not work because we did not yet configure the business policy. Okay, I will show you how to configure the business policy for this Jerusalem remote site. So all you have to do is click business policy. For demo purposes, we will make it simple. Okay, so let's put the role name. Let's say internet. Then you define what is your source. Let's put our LAN segment, which is 10.128.70. Then put /24. Then for destination, you click internet. Okay, then any. Let's put any for demo purposes. Then if you want to do a rate limiting, like for example, you want to use only 20% of your total link. Let's say you have 1 GB, you put 20, you will get 200 Mbps. So for demo purposes, we're going to use those default one. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, I think we're good now. Let's check the internet. See, internet is working. That's all. It's easy, right? So let's test the, okay, this is our uh, Dubai Office 64. Let's try to, um, let's access the Ubuntu Jerusalem, okay. Let's try to ping the Dubai. Then let's ping the gateway first. Gateway is searchable. Okay, this is our gateway. Okay, let's try to ping remote site Dubai. Let's test the gateway first of Dubai. See, I can ping the gateway of Dubai. So let's ping the computer. Let's ping the computer, okay. Let's ping the Abu Dhabi. Let's ping the Abu Dhabi. So Abu Dhabi is also working. Abu Dhabi subnet also working. Let's go to Dubai Ubuntu. Let's ping. Um, okay, we can ping the Ubuntu of the Jerusalem server. Okay, let's check the Abu Dhabi. Let's ping Jerusalem server from Abu Dhabi. See if we can ping. Yeah, all good. SD-WAN is working. Site-to-site VPN is working from other remote site. Let's test again the internet. Yep, internet is working. Okay, from our map, I let's check the map. See, this is our Israel remote site. I just manually put um, the latitude and longitude, the coordinates manually. That's why it's showing like that. Thank you for watching. As this is the our Philippines. We have our outside there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, let's check the transport. We can check the latency of the Jerusalem. There's no latency. Um, I, I I connect my smartphones and my kids' phones. I told them to watch YouTube. See, there's YouTube, there's a speed test, there's LinkedIn, Facebook Live. So all the NetFlow analyzers working from Jerusalem remote site, we can see traffic are passing. These are the graphs, are very important. We have the source. These are the source. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will upload another next time. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.